Time for me to buy a mansion, I guess.
The squeakle. Can I get a mega?
No. Oh.
Understandable. Have a nice day.
Bro, I'm never gonna be the one in the 1v3s.
We got revenge on stuff.
Oh, this one is the easiest for the first one, for the one player.
It could be. Oh god, I suddenly can't remember. Okay, I got the buttons right here. Okay.
Ooh, right.
It could be any button, boys.
Okay.
Our has to press a series of them. We only have to do one each.
Yeah, but he has all of them at the same time. We have to. It pops up for us.
Boom, 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 boom.
No!
Oh no! Already.
You are
I'm an idiot.
Already, dude.
What are you doing?
I'm laughing, man. I can't help it now.
throwing me.
It's already over, bro. It's already done for. You have to be flawless as the 3 in this, dude.
Said, I don't want to win.
I panicked. He just like the fake out, like cool. Then Luigi started laughing, and it was so.
You're throwing.
I'm not throwing. I'm having a good
Yes,
time.
just did. Lottery time.
Lottery time. Are you gonna get the balls?
I'll get. Thing.
Balls.
Yeah. I did not win last time. So
Peach is
this
not
time
balling.
Oh.
Peach is balling.
my mushroom.
You get a super.
Ooh. I can travel up to 30 spaces, but I can't do any board events, so it's actually kind of bad.
It's good to squish everyone in the face.
Get a mega again.
Okay.
No. Thank you.
You know what? I'm actually gonna start saying the opposite of what I want, because that's happened like 5 times now.
Right?
You made it.
No, I didn't.
Dance time and a work.
Let's go! Come on! Come on! Come on!
This could benefit Luigi like in every possible way.
Except for
No,
coins,
you
because
get the
I
coin.
have the coin lead right now. I'm pretty sure.
Hey, Star, if you hold power all the way and the Koopa Kid's not on the left side, it should be pretty easy to get coin swap.
Oh boy.
But it's not guaranteed. Oh, I'm nerd.
Well,
Well,
I'll take
well.
your stars. Actually, I'd take that.
Don't do
Any
that,
day.
dude. I already got 2 stars taken from me.
Come on, come on now.
hello?
Well, wait, are you gonna get your stars back?
That, please.
No, you take all the.
He might take all your coins though, Luke.
No, I don't want
Oh
that.
no.
It's at the far left. You could actually do it.
I don't know if I'm happy or sad that I'm not involved.
Oh,
Okay.
trade
Wait,
everything.
that's not good.
Oh my god.
That is good.
Everything.
I think that's trade everything, isn't it?
Yeah.
I don't know.
It is.
Yeah. So you got your 6 stars back.
Thank you, friend. I hope you enjoy the paycheck.
You just had to live a few turns in luxury.
I hope you like your stimulus check, Star.
Like I hate this game. Well,
Dude, how come both times that the thing was used, it was the person in first place who landed on?
Get me out of
Can you-
here.
Yeah, me and Star have been rooting. Well, I mean, I've been rooting. I think he made a comment about it too. Called me a bitch.
Let's head downtown.
20 coins for Daisy.
Let's go.
Oh, look, you guys are
Fantastic.
tied. Oh, never mind.
Wowzers.
Jerk.
What?
Exception duos, please.
I'm going to jerk for getting 3 coins.
Oh.
Beating treasure trap.
Oh,
I'm
actually,
either
I like
really good or painfully bad at this one. I always get disoriented.
I like this one. It's cool.
Okay, we're blue team. We're blue team. I gotta get that in my head. We're blue. Oh, he's gotta pee. He's gotta pee.
Oh,
Oh.
no, I'm sorry. Let's not do anything. No moving.
He's
No
probably
moving.
he's probably gonna
there a
sandbag
time
me
limit?
anyways.
If there's a time limit, who cares? No moving.
Let me just. Do that.
No, that works too. Yeah.
We're blue team. Okay, I don't even know where to go.
I don't even remember the map.
Me neither.
Sorry.
Oh, I don't either actually.
Sorry for party rocking, Luke.
But I haven't eaten dinner yet.
Oh, I thought you were gonna eat before this.
Oh, well, I was too, but well, yeah.
Then the text
I'll
stuff
just.
happened.
I'm not super hungry, so it's
Dang.
even though it is 11 p.m.
Oh god.
Well, we're almost done. I'm pretty sure like we're almost to the last 5 turns.
We're
I'm
getting
pretty sure
there.
next turn is the last 5 turns start.
Probably.
I'm looking forward to next board because when you reach the Shy Guy statues, you can choose to praise them. Your character does a really funny animation.
Oh yeah, I remember
They
that.
like get down on one knee. All the boards are tricky. I remember the Shy Guy one can split in half. I think there's a way to fly between both halves.
Oh well, I'll take my free dub.
Our characters are just standing there menacingly.
No chance time anymore, please.
Peach actually looks mad.
She does, yeah.
She does. I've got the 1,000-yard stare. Peach is mad.
Good. What trick?
Probably a special P trick for his bottle.
Yeah, he's gonna
Shoot it through a hoop or something.
Oh.
Oh.
You got sandbag anyways.
Shall we?
Yep.
Oh my gosh, I'm sad.
You going up top, Luke?
I got the top, yeah.
I got the bottom one.
Okay.
That happened to me, Star. You got the wrong color.
Come back. Why are you going all the way to the bottom? I'm right here.
I
Oh.
was going to you.
Oh, thank you.
I got you. Baby in the back. I have a plan.
You just don't team up with Star, please.
I told you, dude.
Don't be rude to Star.
I can be rude to Star all I want. Fucking sandbagging piece of shit.
Woo! Mario Party 4, baby. Last 5 turns?
Party ball.
Last 5 turns. Get your tickets ready.
Yoshi.
That is fair, Star. Oh, well. Well, so much for that.
You're right. Maybe we should, like, encyclopedia. Or, Star, I will explain each minigame from the start.
Give me something
I
good.
made the same mistake before. Double.
Yay.
Double. Boards.
I'm sorry, Star. I know I made the same mistake when I first played it too. I went for the opposite color.
I just look at my border.
That's farther. First, naturally. Well, extra coin.
Hope you get a
Might be
1.
better for me to steal a star. Well, no, not really. 2.
Nice. At least you won't get the coins. Never mind, haha.
Wow.
Get a 1. Don't put it past me.
I gotta get more coins.
I'll let you get a star.
Nope.
Man. Jeez, Luigi.
He's sad. You people look like
I'm
way
sad,
overreact
man.
to this crap.
Let's go, I'm finally gonna get an item
Sad
shop.
Vulcan.
Give me something good. Last 5 turns.
Ooh, and you know where you're headed, AB. There's a certain someone at the end of that street.
There is.
Yes.
And I can use him.
The way coins are going, it's looking pretty grim for the rest of us.
It's a little too bad that I cannot use it on a certain someone, but I'm not gonna waste that.
True.
This is my first time up here. I'm not wasting that. Oh, well, well, no shot for you.
Yeah.
Dang it.
Lucky mini game.
I'll take a battle. No? Okay.
Look at square.
Oh god, I suck at this, dude.
This one's similar to Manta Rings, where you don't have to mash like crazy, but you press it a decent amount to stay ahead.
Oh, explain
And
a
if you
bit.
hit a rock, I think if you hit a rock, you can mash to escape.
You die. You must die.
You must die.
Yeah, I think I sucked at this one if I remember correctly.
Yeah, I always hit the rocks.
Me too.
They come.
Oh,
too
nice.
friendly.
Everyone took that ramp except me.
Oh man.
Oh.
The rocks.
Yeah, I got bounced into
Oh,
it. Uh-oh.
Peach.
Come on.
Let's jump.
Man.
Hey,
Oh, first, look at how terrifying her hand wave is here. It's like kind of static.
Look at Daisy. You look like Jessie from Toy Story whenever she's trying to be a toy.
I was gonna say. Andy's coming.
Beep, beep, beep.
Is the star still up there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe he's got a.
Uh-oh.
Uh,
Uh-oh.
Well, you know what? I could get a really pretty
You know what?
poggers.
I'm rooting for AB at this
Here.
point.
Thank you. I need all the support I can get.
He needs it. Sending my energy to my ex-husband, Luigi.
What? I was like, I thought I was the one who's supposed to be saying that here.
It's always been the same two people. Wow.
You've got me kidding me.
Oh my god.
Alright, you should trade coins with me.
Don't ask, Star. It's a complicated mystery.
Okay, it doesn't involve me. Oh.
Almost did.
Oh no, I have lots of juicy stars.
Yeah, please, don't give me the stars.
Hello?
Come
Okay.
on, dude. Really?
Boring.
Yeah, well, at least you get something out of it.
What you shuffle? I love it.
I hate him, bro.
It's the Koopa Troopa Shuffle.
That's funny.
Number 15, Koopa Troopa Shuffle.
Dude.
Oh my gosh, dude.
Oh my god.
Give me the star.
Oh my god! What do I have to do, man?
He's in fourth!
I thought it was random.
Bruh.
There's another one.
3 minis. Man, oh man. It's like at every possible opportunity. Man. Nice
Ooh.
roll.
Yay.
They got it.
Oh.
This is another one that we had in the failed recording.
Yep, that's true.
Eleanor to go left and right, but there's a delay. And I literally had it, dude. I was grabbing the last little
All the
number.
time.
Come here, you little turd nugget.
I just fucking trolled. Damn it. Never mind. Let's go.
not again! I was literally grabbing the last little turd. Oh my god, Amy. This is like the 5th time you snipe me in a 4-player. Dude. I never get to snipe. Only
Low
in the
numbers.
solo one.
Dude, come on, man!
Dude, the good thing Avi has a 0 chance of winning.
Jesus Christ! Oh, wow! And now he's safe. I can't take his fucking star. I'm sorry,
no.
Brando. It's the only way to keep me in the running.
You know what?
You know what? I'm not even mad.
Yeah, please do it, Luke. Please.
You could
Do
waste
what?
his life.
Dude. I don't even have a chance to get there. Do it, Luke.
Do what?
Steal from Star.
No.
Wow. I'm not gonna win.
Wow.
Wow.
What?
Or
It's probably because I have so many
We
coins.
have 150 coins.
Yeah, but have they done shit for me? No.
pretty
Fuck,
much.
man. That's the second time I've been to a fucking shop and there was
And it had
nothing. Oh, now you give me a
Man.
fucking 10, huh?
After
Or
the
10 buddies.
night the star.
I'm sorry,
You
Brando,
gotta
but
do it, Avy.
there's nothing else I can do, man.
I want to give you a star at this point. Take it. It's fine.
Wow.
Owen Wilson.
My first star, and it's someone else's.
I'm the Gotti.
Man.
And now I can't get an item there. Is this the second turn anyways? Oh, it's actually closer anyways. Is this the second turn? Can we take the last? Hold on,
I
let's
don't
check.
I think there's 3 more. Oh no. Yeah, 3 more.
No, you'll have enough to use an item.
Okay. You like going places, Star?
I might get
Too
last
bad.
place, man. Good. Just in front of the thing.
Well, if you win
Hello.
the lotto here, then you'll take my coin star, and you might not get last.
Try again.
No, no such luck.
I can nab that star up top, maybe. Shut up, Toad.
Alright, let's go.
Alright, oh no!
Shut the fuck up, Luke.
No, not right or left. Okay. I don't want to fail star again.
Okay.
Okay, it doesn't tell you who
Yeah.
has what role. You gotta speed up and slow down. If you speed up, the person on the parasail goes up high. And if you slow down, they go low.
Oh shit, I'm driving.
If you speed up star, I go mega high. I can only move though. So yeah, speed up with A. Yeah. But yeah,
Wait,
it's
can you
really-
not
it's
go
really
any
picky.
faster or
Don't
what?
worry.
Mash.
It's quite picky. I can't
Press it
move.
again. I'm pretty sure it'll do it again.
Oh, I thought it was hold it.
It lets me move a lot more. Yeah, the movement's very finicky. Very finicky. I'm trying to
Now
move.
I got it.
There you go, Star. Nice. Sorry. The perspective is good. I'm gonna use. Got it. Nice driving. That's a free star right there.
17.
Yeah, if I knew it was matching, I would have fucking looked up more.
Almost done.
2 more turns. Big time.
Your crush star.
Speed.
I've been holding on to it for the entire time. Give me coins.
Luigi just sniffing your butt.
Just kidding. Okay.
There it is. Alright.
I'm gonna use a regular mini so I can hopefully get that chance time.
Dude, I have 69 coins now. That's why I did it. That's why I calculated. No hard feelings?
I think it's too late to ask that.
3.
I just wanted 69 coins. I'll even throw the next minigame so I don't win.
Well, Brando, I guess you're gonna lose another star.
Oh my god, no! I'm about to get one! And then you're gonna take it again?
Well, you better not mess up this time.
I'm sorry, brother. Unless I lose a minigame, unless the minigame is super high coins, and I lose.
Oh man, I got your back, AV.
Now's the perfect time for a 50 coin battle minigame.
It would be.
Oh right, you're not on battle.
Let's play Trace Race.
Nope. Oh, 30 though.
Wow, pretty meaty.
They haven't even given us the option to get Trace Race.
Nope.
Butterfly
Not taking no fucking fishing.
I believe there's 2 different swings you can use there. Yeah, upwards and sideways. Just experiment with them.
Blue is best, right?
Hitboxes.
Biggest
Blue
size,
is the
bigger
best butterfly.
Okay.
Yellow's only worth 1 point. Red's worth 2.
Oh, oops, I was doing it backwards.
It's a bit finicky. Sometimes the high swings work, sometimes they don't.
I'm not winning this.
Oh god. No, Luigi. Get away from me, Peach.
I fucking
blues.
sucked at this,
I've been
bro.
going for
Oh my
red.
god.
I've been prioritizing reds.
That sucked, man.
Let's see if it paid off.
Bad at it.
Let's see it.
Yeah, I missed a lot too.
Look at my only 10 yellows.
Fuck.
Oh.
Ah. I didn't get any blues, that's why. I got mostly reds.
No, I was fishing for blues, that's why. But I thought I was fishing.
I think I still have enough to steal from you, though.
Yeah.
Because I had 80.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, you'll have enough.
I'm about to get another star that AV can take.
1, 2, 3.
The sacrifice for the greater good. You know what, AV? I'd rather you have that star than those other 2.
Thank you, man. It means a lot.
Those other 2 wahoos.
Wow.
Let me just get that other star real quick, AV, and then you can swipe it.
Go ahead, man. Yeah, just spawn it like right in front of me too. Actually, I don't think I could roll high enough anyways. I hope I roll a 2.
You could get second place, maybe.
If I don't get in there, I got a second mini.
You even get to do the coin game. It's right.
Yay! I get most of my entry fee back for the butterfly bonanza.
Yay! Yeah, 26 coins.
Forgot about the double. Alright, second last. Is it a new one?
Oh my god.
Ooh,
I hate this.
a fan favorite.
I hate this so much.
The bomb breakers.
I think it's my least favorite minigame ever.
I hate
Okay,
that you
that's
can play
fair.
the enemy field and that I'm in the corner.
That's the big thing for me is like I don't like how you can the other players' fields.
You just gotta lay him down. No, put it there. No, Amy. Those are my combos.
I'm just
Start
fucking.
next
I'm
time.
just putting shit everywhere, brother. I'm just dropping shit, man.
Y'all are rude. Amy, you already have 70 points.
I'm just dropping shit, bro. It's working.
Calm down, for the love of God. You already won.
Dude, I was trying to set up combos and everything.
Dude, Luigi
Just
was
kind
going
of
sicko mode over there.
mashed.
I just fucking held down the whole time and spam circle, just moved my fucking stick everywhere, dude.
Oh man.
Oh, I know my tactic next time now.
Last turn. We did it. This is it. The apocalypse. Whoa. Good. Good. I'm gonna keep singing it then.
No.
Oh, you almost got. Oh, wait, never mind. It's going up, anyways.
I didn't do anything.
Oh, I guess that's a GG. So.
Yep. Unless I get a 2 and I trade stars.
We fought hard. Take it, AV. Take it.
Dude, wouldn't that be
won't work.
something? Amy's getting ragged on this entire game. And the
I
last
won't work. I
round.
told you guys. What did I say earlier? I'm super passionate about these games, but I always get last. It's for the
I'm
greater
not in
good.
4th anymore for the first time in 33 turns. Let's go!
Oh my gosh.
Please!
Last turn.
Please! Please! Oh,
This will be
please, man.
hilarious.
I will.
Come
On the
on.
last turn.
Yeah.
On the
Come on.
last turn. There's no way.
Come on.
Dude,
There's no
this,
way. My hands are sweaty.
Come on.
Oh lord. Look at that scientific angle.
Fuck. I tried pushing it far enough so it would shoot out. That's fine. It's fine. If you wanna like give me a star, I'll take that.
why did
Already
they on
know
the
all
edge?
of you.
No! Wait,
Oh my
It's
God.
them again, bro.
I'm gonna take it.
It's been them every
not
time.
you again. I've never been
you gonna
involved.
win?
Yeah, you were involved one time when I fucking gave you shit.
Oh, when I got $20.
Yeah,
for the
you got
taxi
20
ride
doll hairs. Oh! Oh my
Thank you.
god!
I appreciate it.
home. I wonder who's gonna win.
Well,
There it is. Oh, Yoshi has to give 2 stars.
9 stars.
I'm sure we'll meet again. I hope we never do.
well, there goes that.
Well,
It's funny because
dude, we
it's over, bro.
Second place now.
It's funny because it's over.
What happened to the rest of us? We have no stars.
We have nothing.
Did you count the revolution our winnings? Swipe 2 of my boys.
Yeah, I mean, if we did a communism, then that means that Luke is the Tsar.
Give me this.
It's over, bro.
I almost mini mushroom just a chance time.
Can you still go to boost space? You
No,
can take back a star.
no, I didn't roll high enough.
I just want it to be known that I did not buy a star once.
Oh.
Yep.
Yeah, I got it.
Oh, you should have went down, Brando. What if it was a hidden block, bro?
True. Hey Yoshi. The
Last minigame.
minigame.
Dungeon Duo stars, let's go.
Let's
Oh,
go,
nope.
AB. Dream
Let's
team.
Again. Well,
We're the dream team.
yeah, but we're also against Mr. No Delay on this one.
Oh, true.
As long as he has good reflexes, then.
Sandbagger. Start, you should sandbag.
Oh yeah, sure. It's the no.
Okay.
It's the no delay versus the no delay and the big delay. Nice. That's what you love to say. What? Wait, that you can hit both of you? I didn't know it could do that, bro.
Oh, let him blow. Let him blow.
Wait, I didn't know that it could hit
I died.
both.
Let's go.
Dude, you know, for 1 versus 2, that wasn't too bad.
Yeah, it hit both of us.
Yeah, if that one didn't hit both of us, then it would have been fine. I didn't know that could happen, honestly.
You guys ready for the bonus stars?
Yeah.
Give me 11.
Don't mash at the end though. I want to see those stats.
Okay.
Yeah, Code, I never want to see you again.
You know what? At least I didn't get last in the end. Thanks, Brando.
True. Anytime.
Don't start getting.
I ended with the least coins too.
The Iron E. Who's the minigame champ?
Probably Luke. Yeah.
Thank you.
I want to see how close we got. Coin star?
I feel like obviously AV for this one, right?
Yep. I never reached 180, whatever. This one I have no idea.
I don't know either.
Not me.
Nice.
Okay.
Ooh. GG's. That was an insane first game.
Yeah, it was.
It really was, yeah.
The start to a wonderful saga. Oh, I got third?
Oh shit.
Three more points in him.
True.
I'm still there. Oh, it's because I got a star on the last turn.
Oh yeah. Well,
You're the party star. Give me those stats.
I suppose
wanna see
it's
the game.
okay.
I want to see how many times AV screwed me in minigames. Oh man, I would have had 4 stars.
Alright, because he gave me 2. Detailed results.
Detailed results. Minigame. Oh man.
Oh, not even close, really.
Damn. Yeah, you got that. You got
Man.
the 1v3 that had the coins, and then you
That's
also
true,
and then
yeah.
you also carried in the other one, like in the 2 bags. Whenever it was a
True.
1v3 against Brando.
Yeah. Oh,
That
it was
helped.
175. I thought it was in the 80s. I got
You
the
were
most
close.
blue space. Yeah.
Only 6 red spaces the entire game. That's the. It's usually a lot more than that. This was close.
Wow.
It was.
I knew I didn't hit any. 4 chance times. 2 Bow Wows. A lot
Oh my
of battle
god.
games.
2 of them were
I
5ers,
never
though. That's
rolled
wild.
one. Okay.
Lots of free mushes. Lots
I mean,
of
Luke does love his mushrooms.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I did like them though, because they're helpful.
I don't know. I fucking hate
And that's a
mushrooms.
wrap on Toad's
Mushrooms
Midway
taste
Magnum.
disgusting.
Cool. I don't like
Next
eating
one.
mushrooms, so they're gross.
Yeah, they're
That
nasty.
board is ugh. It's quite a nasty first board.
Alright,
Navigate
time to
for-
glitch out.
Hooray!
man.
Next time we go to Shy Guy's Jungle Jam.
That'll be fun. The extra move.
I'm ready. I'm practicing my prayers right now.
Okay.
As long as Scar doesn't become a Turbo Thomas next time we team up.
That was very, very fun. I like that.
Thanks for
forward to next
watching. Buy the merch. There's no merch.